For art room choice, the first station is called what I call sticky clay. It's modeling clay. You help yourself to one piece of modeling clay, and then you take a mat that's located below the modeling clay. The modeling clay will stick to lots of things. It's made with oil. It's oil-based clay. That's why I call it sticky clay. You bring the mat back to your seat and you create something. Here's some examples here on the shelf. Once your item is created, you squish it back up into the circular shape, place it back in my cart, right there where you see it. So that's the first station, modeling clay. When you are washing your hands for sticky clay, you help yourself to soap only. Now scrub the area together just with soap. Then get a paper towel and use just the paper towel. Scrub your hands with just paper towel. Throw the towel away and you can rinse your hands with water very quickly. That's how you dissolve the grease from the oil modeling clay. Next to the modeling clay is dinosaurs. If you would like to choose the dinosaur station, you may choose dinosaur books. We do not draw or color or tear out pages. Some of them are actually coloring books. We don't color in them. They just give us ideas on what to do. There's also dinosaur stencils. You may trace stencils. You're going to be getting blank paper under the TV. Located directly below the TV is some blank paper for you to use. Help yourself to the blank paper. If you're choosing blank paper, do not just scribble on the blank paper. Decide to take another one and go for another one. You do a nice picture neatly. Add lots of patterns and details to your picture. Then color in your picture neatly. You may use crayons, paint, or markers. If you're using markers, use smaller than your fist may be colored in with marker. The next station is a people station or a figure station. This has anything to do with creatures or figures, aliens, wizards. There's homes for people. The homes are in a box for stencils. You can trace the stencil onto your paper. There's also cutout figures that are made out of construction paper. You may have those. You just decorate them if you'd like. There are coloring books and drawing books, different levels. If it's too hard for you, take another one that is easier. There is transportation as well in this cart. So anything to do with people, like fantasy monsters, superheroes, those kind of things are in this cart. Transportation, and there's also transportation draw books on the side of the cart. Whatever you do, if you choose to take something, you're placing it where you found it. If you found the item on the side cart, it goes back on the side cart. If you found the item in the top shelf, it goes back on the top shelf of the cart. Please do not mix up my items. A stencil doesn't get glued. The stencils are made out of the heavier stock paper. They do not get glued to paper. If it's made out of construction paper, you may glue it to your paper and have it. This is the area where we have animals. Animals, insects, any kind of creature. We have sea life, reptiles, etc. These are the draw books that show you how to draw step by step. The easier ones are at the bottom, the harder ones are at the top. You may also help yourself to stencils. The stencils are located in the drawers below the counters near the windows. If you borrow a stencil, put it back in the drawer where you found it. The rubbing plates are located in this drawer. If you're going to use a rubbing plate, the rubbing plate is placed under the paper. The paper is on top. Then you use a rubbing crayon and rub over it. It will give a texture on the paper. The rubbing crayons are located opposite of the room, next to the red sink, and the rubbing crayons are here in this drawer. Select your rubbing crayon, bring it back to your seat to do your rubbing. If you are using scissors and glue, they get put away neatly. Please stack your glue and close your glue bottles here Do not just throw them in like there. We're using Picasso builders. There are 2 students per box of Picasso builders. You help yourself to a rug that's under the tables, spread it out, and sit on the rugs and quietly play. If it gets too noisy, you will be asked to leave the Picasso builders section. The Picasso builders, when you are done, must be placed very neatly back in the box so you can close the box completely, like you see here. Another choice is using one of the pre-made color sheets up front. If you are using the pre-made color sheet, please take the top one. Do not mess up my piles. You are going to be using markers, crayons, or paint for color sheets. Do not color anything with markers over the size of your fist. Take your time, do it neatly. You may have 1 color sheet per day. This is what you should not do. You should not take or leave the area a mess. When you take and help yourself to a piece of paper, it should be left neatly in the same stack. You are taking the top paper of the product. Another station is peeling crayons. For peeling crayons, you take 3 buckets back to your table. You're going to do 2 black buckets and 1 blue. The one black bucket will have crayons that need to be peeled. You can even break the crayons in half to help you peel them. You put the garbage in the blue bucket, and then the ones that are peeled, place in the other black bucket. At the end of class, bring them all back to the counter, and you're going to be placing the ones that are peeled in my peel bucket. The garbage gets put in the garbage can, and then you return the bucket here, this bucket, back to the counter for other kids to peel.